For most of the people, it is just water. But the moving water is alive. As per the yogic science, the moving water carries prana. So when you get into such water, it does not only clean your body, it clears what you hold within you. And even the science prove a moving river carries negative ions, and it has the ability to reset your nervous system. Within minutes, it can change your states. It has the ability to release the stress from your system. In fact, what you call yourself, almost 72% of this is water. Mostly you are water. So when you get in touch with the moving water, your body remembers how to flow. And that's why when you get in touch with this water, not only you feel fresh, you feel lighter and brighter. Whenever you get chance, always take a dip in the moving water.